Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another delicious pancake recipe for you all. I'm gonna add fruits, blended fruits to my pancake. Yes, you know when you're making your black cake, your fruit cake, and you add your fruits, this is what I'm gonna add to my pancake. I'm telling you, it's gonna be so delicious. So guys, this is at least 1.5 cup of fruits that's soaked in Jamaican red label wine and rum. Yes, these are all of my other ingredients. Here I have some butter, just over 1/4 cup of butter, almond essence, 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon of vanilla. I also have some cinnamon powder, salt, and nutmeg, and that's 1/2 teaspoon. That's my flour right here, and that's 3 cups. Soft brown sugar, and that's over 2 tablespoons. Milk, 1.5 cup of milk, and 2 eggs. Guys, don't forget to share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. I know you guys are gonna enjoy this recipe, so stay tuned. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna blend it all up, okay? And guys, as I said, this is 1.5 cup of fruits. And if you want to do it, say example, if you want to, soak it in this bowl. What I did, I soaked mine's been soaking for a long time. But you can soak it for 1 day, 2 days, so the rum and the red label wine will soak in the raisin. So you can use at least 1 cup of raisin and at least, 1/4 cup of cherries. Yes. And you can add at least 1 cup of red label wine and at least 4 tablespoons of rum. Yeah, that's all you can soak it. If you're gonna do it in this container right here. Yeah, I'm using my hand blender to blend it. This is what it look like after it is all blended. See that? Nice and rich. Perfect. Here I have my bowl, and firstly I'm gonna add my egg. Just wanna whisk it. Then I'm gonna add my sugar. My butter, then I'm gonna add my milk, my vanilla, my almond essence, so now guys, I'm gonna sift my flour. Put my strainer right there. You don't have to do it, guys, but it's just gonna allow your pancake to be nice and fluffy. And I'm also gonna add my salt with my cinnamon powder. I'm gonna also grate my nutmeg because I'm using a whole nutmeg, okay? that's it. The wooden spoon and just mix it all in. Guys, it smells so good. You can smell the vanilla, the almond essence. I'm telling you, it smells real good. And guys, just to loosen it up just a bit, I'm gonna add some milk. At least half cup of milk, that's it. So guys, this is how you want it to be. Now I'm gonna add my blended fruits. Just like so. Guys, I wish you could be in my kitchen. I'm telling you, it smells so good. If you love fruit cake, I'm sure you will love this recipe. Just gonna gentle fold it all in. So guys, this is totally optional, but I'm gonna add at least 1 teaspoon of my browning just to give it some color. And obviously the pancake is like fruit cake, but it's just pancake. But you know, with fruit cake also you have to add browning so it's dark, so that's why I'm adding the browning. But this color should be fine. If you want, you can always add a bit more. So guys, this is perfect. If you want, you can always add some more milk just to loosen it up. Yeah, that's good to go. Yummy. So guys, here I have my pot and my stove, and my stove is on a low heat. Okay, so now I'm gonna add at least 2 teaspoons of my olive oil. You don't need a lot. You can always use vegetable oil or some butter. I'm gonna take my brush and brush it all in, just like so. So now I'm gonna add my pancake batter. And I'm gonna cook it, guys, for at least 3 minutes on each side, okay? Try not to turn up your stove, guys, because you don't want your pancake to burn up. So guys, as soon as you see some oil started to come up in the pancake, you know it's time to turn it, okay? So now I'm gonna flip it over. Make sure you take your time. Woo! Perfect. It looks so yummy, guys. So yummy. So guys, now I'm gonna remove my pancake. And guys, it is so soft and so fluffy. Look at that. You see it? It bounces right back. I'm just gonna remove it and put it to my plate, okay? So guys, I'm gonna add some more sugar onto my pancake. 2 teaspoons of my granulated sugar. Gonna mix it all in. So now guys, I'm gonna flip over my pancake, and as I said, make sure when you're turning it you see the hole appear on the top, and you want to take your time, okay, because this pancake is very delicate. Perfect. Gonna remove it. So guys, this is the amount of pancake butter that I have leave back. And what I did, I add some more brown into it. At least 2 teaspoons. Because I want these one to be, you know, to look more darker. Okay? So that's why. Just gonna mix it all in. Because I want to see what it's gonna look when it's finished. And you can add as much as you like. Okay? That's done. Perfect. So now guys, I'm gonna add the darker butter, pancake butter. Yeah. And I'm also gonna add some cherries on top. Perfect. That's my cherries. Guys, now that the hole has appeared on top of my pancake, I'm gonna flip it over. Okay, it looks so good. Oops. Perfect. So guys, my fruit cake pancake is all finished, and I'm just adding some cherry on top just for presentation. I'm telling you guys, it looks so good. If you want, you can always add some pancake syrup, which is totally optional because it tastes really nice without the syrup. But show a pancake with fruits all together, so I'm just gonna add some syrup. Look at that guys, so delicious. It look real good, so yummy. So there you have it guys. This is how I made my pancake fruit cake. I'm telling you, it's looking so delicious. I hope you guys do give it a try. If you try it, don't forget to comment below and tell me what it's like. Please give me a thumbs up, share it to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Look at it guys, so good. It cooked to perfection. I'm loving the color. I just add some mint leaf around it just for presentation. Yes. So guys, as you can see, I'm just adding some more of my pancake syrup. You can add as much as you like. You can even serve it with some ice cream. Then I'm gonna cut into it and show you guys. And I'm telling you guys, it is so easy to cut. It is so soft, so moist. I'm telling you, the flavor guys is everything. It tastes absolutely delicious. I would definitely make this recipe again. I really enjoy it. It is a must try. So yummy. I hope you all do enjoy this video. Until next time, bye. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay blessed.